In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to customize your channel. Customizing your channel is very important. Be it you are a new YouTuber, you are an old YouTuber, and you have not customized your channel, or you don't even know how to customize your channel, or you've been hearing about how to customize your channel. I'm going to be teaching you how to customize your channel with mobile phone, okay? So if you don't have laptop and you have a mobile phone, which is the kind of phone that I'm also using, because I'm not also using my laptop to do this, you are going to learn how to customize your YouTube channel. First question is, why do people customize their YouTube channel? People customize their YouTube channel because if a new viewer comes into your channel and the new viewer wants to see some of these details about you, they are going to go straight and check what your channel is all about, how to contact you, and every other stuff that you need to know. With that being said, let us get right into this video because I don't want this video to be more longer than it is. And let's start customizing our YouTube channel.
So for you to be able to customize, you have to go to your Chrome because you need the desktop version. And if you have not clicked or know how to go to your desktop version of your YouTube studio, all you need to type is studio.youtube.com, exactly what you're seeing here. And this will take you directly to this will take you directly to your YouTube studio. Okay, once you take it directly to your YouTube studio, you're going to be seeing this, your dashboard and your content and the rest of that. So the first thing you need to click is this customization. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this in so that you can see, which is this particular side here, the customization button. So once you click on the customization button, you're going to wait for it to load, and this is where you need to display everything that your viewers need to see, of which it is very, very important. Now, if you go to the profile, if you click on my profile, these are all the things that you're going to be seeing, all the informations about me, and of which a lot of you guys don't even put any informations about you. So some of us don't even know how to contact you people. Some of us don't even know how to follow you people on other social media platforms. That is why it is good for you to do what? Customize your channel. Now, the first thing you're going to be seeing is this image banner. This image banner that tells people what your channel is all about, and of which it is very, very, very important. And if you want to do this particular banner and you don't know how to do it, you want me to film a video about it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be filming a video about it, okay? So you go ahead and customize your banner, which is putting your banner on your YouTube studio, okay? So after putting your banner will explain to people what this channel is all about. So even as you're watching this video now, you can go to my banner and see. You are going to be seeing all of this. And just know that this banner for your laptop, it is going to show you differently. For your iPad or iPhone, this thing is going to show you differently, okay? For your desktop and the rest of that. So this is my banner, and this says what? Transform your YouTube passion into your YouTube income. Make money online tips and the rest of that. So even if you're new to my channel, if you see this banner, you automatically know that this is what this channel is all about, okay? So, and you can see they say best results for all devices, blah blah blah. So yeah, so after putting your banner, the next thing is for you to put your picture. A lot of you people must have put your picture directly from the normal YouTube studio or from the normal YouTube app, and of which it is okay. So but if you want to change your picture to an attractive picture, you can go ahead and change your picture, okay? Or you want to remove picture at all, so you can go ahead and do that. And even if you already have an old banner before, you can also change here. Now, after doing all of that, the next thing for you is your name, which is very, very important. Choose the name that they will know you with. You guys already know me with Vibe Sonia, so this is where the Vibe Sonia is, and this is where you are seeing the Vibe Sonia from. And then the next thing that you are going to customize that is very, very important is your handle. Okay, so that is why if you search me with at Vibe with Sonia underscore at Vibe with underscore Sonia, you're definitely going to be seeing my channel. So anywhere you search me, this is like my tag. So if you have not written any handle or you've not customized any handle for yourself, please do well to customize. And the good part I love about this handle is if they are not if another person is already using it, YouTube will recommend it and tell you that another person is already using it. You understand? So now the next thing is your description. Your description is very important. Your description tells what the channel is all about. Click on my bio now on this video that you're watching. You're going to be seeing my description, and this is exactly what I wrote in my description. So it says, in this channel, I shared with you how to be successful on YouTube, and I also share with you other apps and websites that can bring money to your pocket, make money online. Okay, so this is where you're going to be crafting and telling YouTube that this is what your channel is all about, so that any audience that is just coming, they will just know that yes, this is what this channel is all about. So it is not okay because you go to some people channel, you're going to be seeing vlogs vibes or just random words that cannot even generate meaning to your audience. And at the end of the day, once anybody visits your profile and they did not see a customized description of what they are coming for, they might just disappear. So make sure it is well crafted. So go and craft it. Very, very important. Then the next thing you're going to be checking now is this place called what? Translate from channel name and description. So you can see English UK, English United Kingdom, okay? And this place, if you click on add language, this add language is simply telling them that this is your language that you want, that you know. May I speak English? So if you're in India, you choose English, Indian, or any other country that you want to choose. You can see that there's a lot of countries here for you to be able to choose. Okay, so it is very important for you to choose. Now, this is a section that interests me so much. If you want people to actually translate, or other people are watching your videos from other countries, and of which it is very, very important, and you want a translating language, you are going to go ahead and customize this. So if you want, for example, you're speaking Igbo and you want the Igbo to be translated with English, or you're speaking any language and you want it to be translated in English, you can go ahead. This is the time for you to do what? Click on any of these translator that you need. You understand? For it to be able to translate and explain to people that this is what this channel is all about, or this is what this channel is talking. So you can see that since, because my own is on English, it's showing you that the English United Kingdom, this is what I've already customized. Then the next thing that you need to do is your links. They are very, very important. Your links are very, very important. These are places that people connect to you. You can need to do is your links. They are very, very important. Your links are very, very important. These are places that people connect to you. You can see my links here: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If I want to add more links, I'll just go ahead and click on add links, and I'm going to be entering what am I going to be adding. Is it Instagram too, or is it Facebook page? Okay, let me say my Facebook page, for example. Okay, so let me put my Facebook page, for example, and then I move. Then I'm going to be, I will go to my Facebook and copy the link on my Facebook page and paste the link here. So if I paste the link on my Facebook page here, automatically, if you come to my profile, you are going to be seeing all of this link attached to it. So for those of you that don't know how to add your link, your social media website, and every other stuff on your YouTube channel, this is how you can do it exactly. This is how you can do it exactly. So you can just go ahead and add as many links as you can. You can see that right now I already have my 4 links here, and if I even want to add more, I can still go ahead and add more. Then the next thing that is very important is your contact info. Your contact info, where people can actually contact you. Advisable, or preferably, don't use the mail you use in opening your YouTube channel for your contact info. Use a separate mail entirely. A separate mail that you created entirely. So right now you can see my contact info here, which is what? faithonoja3195@gmail.com. So now use a separate mail entirely to do this. It is very, 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 very important to use a separate mail entirely. So put your contact info there so that people can actually contact you when they have sponsorship ads, when they have any questions they want to ask you, like personally, or what not. Now, the next thing you're going to be looking out for now is this watermark, and of which a lot of people are confused when it comes to this watermark. This watermark will appear on the video in the right hand corner of the video player. You might not be seeing that this watermark is very, very visible, but in as much as you've placed a watermark here, it is definitely going to appear on all of the video. And that is what we tell YouTube that so person is copying your video, or so person has downloaded your video, and the rest of that, your watermark. Very, very important. If you did not put watermark, if you did not put anything, go and put watermark on your video so that your videos can play safe. So that another person will not go ahead, download your videos and put there, and at the end of the day, the person will put his own watermark there. This was one of the challenges. I think I'm going to be emphasizing on this on another video. Okay, so now what do you need to do on this your watermark? You're going to go ahead and customize your watermark, putting a picture there. You can see that right now my own picture is here already. You can see it here. So now what if you want to change, if you want to remove, you can go ahead and change. you can go ahead and change your watermark. You can see that if I click on change, it automatically takes me to my browser. So the same thing, if you click on impute watermark, it will automatically take you to your browser where you are going to be customizing your picture. If you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how to put this watermark specifically, or you've tried it and it's not working for you, you want me to do it for you, let me know in the comment section. I am going to be doing all of that for you. Now, after doing that, you are going to now choose your watermark. Do you want it to be on the entire video for people to see on the entire video? Do you want it to be at the end of the video? Do you want to custom start time, which is, do you want to put a time like 5 seconds and the rest of that? So me, since I don't want the watermark to just display in the face of people, like, so that you not keep seeing it and then you get tired or get frustrated or stuff like that, I just put it towards end of the video. So you can also go ahead and put it at the entire video. So now I am changing my to entire video now. So go ahead and put it at the entire video. And after you are done doing this, you have to check and everything is very, very okay. You go ahead and click on what? Home tab. Home tab. If you click on home tab, this is where the For You page is coming. And I've talked about For You page in another video. If you have not watched that video, I said if you to stop recommending your videos, use this particular feature. Just go and check and know how you're going to be doing this. This one is not even difficult. Once you come to the home tab, it said home tab, show your what? Show your channel home to highlight and showcase what? Your audience. Now, once you go to my channel home, the first video you're going to be seeing is this video I did about how much I made for 1,000 views as a Nigerian YouTuber, 1,000 view video, Nigerian YouTuber. So if you go there, you're going to be seeing this. So this was how I was able to do it. If you click on layout, it's going to show you the video that you want to put that people will see. So since this is my viral sweet video that I love so much, I have to put it there. And then future videos for returning subscribers. For my returning subscribers, I want them to see this particular video, which is what must have documents for all YouTubers, and of which it is very, very important. So once my subscribers come, they are going to be seen. And the good part of this is that you can add more. So if you want to add more, you click on add and you're going to be choosing, is it live, is it post, is it upcoming, is it single, is it what, anyone you want to put, members, description, and then subscription. Anyone you want to put, you go ahead and put. You understand? So it is very, very important to customize your channel. If you want me to do all of these things that I'm showing you guys, if you want me to do all of these things with a fresh channel that doesn't have all of this, let me know as well. But I hope this is actually going to help someone out there. And if at this point you have not turned all of this thing on, please go ahead to turn all of this thing on. Go ahead to do what? Turn all of this thing on. This is still showing me this one, so I can just go ahead and delete it. Go ahead to turn all of this thing on. And once you're done turning, don't forget to do what? Publish. Very, very important. Any change you make on your videos, don't forget to publish. Don't forget to do what? Publish. So this is how you can what? Customize your channel as a new YouTuber, as someone that is already on YouTube that has not even customized at all, or you don't know what customization is all about. This is what customization can actually do for you. So let's go back to this video, guys.
Thank you so much for staying sick and hook with me to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you have any video that you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section, and voila, I will be doing that, because my job here is, as you request, I'm going to deliver. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.